This, my friends, is the new Timex Ironman Classic 50 Move Plus. We've taken our best-selling watch and added some really cool new features to it. Inside is a 3D accelerometer, Bluetooth smart sensor, and a near-field communication sensor, or NFC, which is for specific Android phones. This means your watch now tracks your activity all day long, steps, distance, calories burned, and shows your progress towards your goals. It also syncs with the free Timex Connected app for either iOS or Android, allowing you to upload your activity information, connect with your calendars, get appointment reminders on your wrist, do all the setup, time of day, alarms, interval timers, etc. on your phone, and download that to the watch. And you'll love this, it has all the convenience and durability of a Timex Ironman. 100-meter water resistance and a coin cell battery, so no recharging required. The Timex Ironman Classic 50 Move Plus, your favorite sports watch, only smarter. To learn more, please visit Timex.com/classic-50-move.